Hello everyone, it's me, Miss Jane. Today we invited new guests.
Hello.
Okay, today our guests are Nina, Ballerina's people. Why is that Emily and Eric not here with you?
Because they have to go to another dance show.
Ah, I see. We can use a video call to talk to them.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Okay, I heard that she had a dance show called Nice Guy.
Yes, they were good.
So we prepared the video. Let's see. Great.
But we had a problem before the dance show.
What was the problem?
There was some misunderstanding.
I misunderstood Lina. Lina told me she was all-star in the dance show, but I thought she was the star, and I told that to Beth and Emily.
So,
They said I am the star of my show.
Ha ha ha! Nina and them played in our house. Then Nina's grandma called telling her she can't come to the dance show.
then,
And wanted to watch my dance show.
oh, that is good.
No, I didn't want her to watch.
Why?
Because she said I am the star. If she watch, she will find out I am not. I didn't told her about the truth because the fuss is very nice.
Oh, that's too bad.
So she leaned around so I relaxed with her.
That was her plan.
Yes, but she told everything to me. So I think Anne will understand.
Yeah, so I told her about it.
And did you understand?
Yes, I just really want to see her dance because she's my friend, so I think that is not important. In the dance show, Lina was the star who really shines.
Why is that?
Lina was look like a star, the one that I gave her.
Okay, now let's video for others. Hello, are you done in the dance show? Oh, I'm Miss Jane. I would like to ask some questions if we saw. Did you tell when you heard about Nina's dance show?
It's awesome. I did for college. Bye-bye.
Thank you. That's all for today's interview. Thank you, everyone.
Bye.